Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Muhammad Ali Sadpara, our national hero, DGISPR. Director General of Inter-Services Public Relations, Major General Babar Iftikhar said Muhammad Ali Sadpara, who went missing while attempting a K2 winter summit along with 2 foreign climbers, is our national hero. Arrested terrorists were planning to attack Sindh Assembly, reveals investigation. Startling revelations have been made by the 5 arrested terrorists who were taken into custody by the Counter-Terrorism Department in an action in Karachi in the wee hours of today morning. 30 more buses to be inducted in BRT Peshawar fleet. 30 new buses to be inducted into the fleet of Bus Rapid Transit service in Peshawar for mass commuting. Lawyers turn violent after demolition of illegal chambers in Islamabad. The demolition of illegal chambers in the district and session court in Islamabad has made lawyers furious, who later stormed the Islamabad High Court building and tortured police officials. 2 drug smugglers possessing 6,450 gram hashish arrested. The Kent police team, headed by SHO Amjad Hussain, recovered 6,450 gram hashish and arrested 2 drug carriers from Danihula Hills near Oblan area. 6 of a family injured in cylinder blast in Peshawar. At least 6 members of a family were injured when a LPG cylinder exploded in a house at Kohat Road. 3 killed and 6 injured as bus overturns. At least 3 people were killed while 6 others injured when a bus overturned here on Munda. Mehrun-Nisa, who sustained head injury in a road accident, is out of danger. Maryam Nawaz has thanked everyone for prayers for early recovery of her elder daughter Mehrun-Nisa, who sustained head injury in a road accident. China donated COVID-19 vaccine to Pakistan Army. China has donated a COVID-19 vaccine for Pakistan Armed Forces, the Inter-Services Public Relations said. Get lost. Falak Shabir slams fan who criticized his love for Sarah Khan. Falak Shabir may get pointed out for his love for his wife, actor Sarah Khan, but he will not be putting up with unnecessary criticism of his love anymore. Man shot dead while making prank robbery video for YouTube. A man appears to have been shot and killed by mistake as he was making a prank robbery video for YouTube. Pakistan records 1,037 new cases and 59 more deaths. Pakistan has recorded 59 more deaths in the country over the last 24 hours, and new cases 1,037 are reported. Pakistan beat South Africa in second test win series 2-0. Pakistan won its first series against South Africa since 2003 by 2-0 with a 95-run victory in the second test on the 5th and final day in Rawalpindi. This is the end of today's news. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CIT News Network Islamabad.